Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Do you like Somali food or do you like to eat Somali food? If yes, please join and subscribe this channel. Traditionally, Somali culture, we have a different delicious food. We cook every day fresh food no matter where we are or how busy we are. Let's go in the kitchen and cook one of the Somali best food we call sor. As you can see, the vegetable and the meat all is fresh. The meat we need to add, the soup is a goat meat. Goat meat is a very expensive nowadays in America. Okay, let's do with the soup and let's do with the ugali or sor so we can enjoy eating together. All that vegetable first we washed and then we cut, piece by piece, and then we add them all. That's the one we do in the ugali or sor. So sor is one of the Somali traditional food. This class runs, every week, one day, and Jenny is the one who coordinate, all this stuff in her class. If you need to learn Somali food or American food or Asian food or whatever you like, please join the Bridge Community Center here in Wilmer. All that, they are doing, cutting, piece by piece, all that vegetable. There's a lot of girls there, as you can see, their hand. So they are busy to cook together. There's no, one person cooking. But the idea is behind, Jenny. And Jenny is a Wilmer area coordinator at the Rife Ministry. So if you need this class, please let me know and put, comment there. So I will connect, with Jenny. As you can see, that one is the sor. So one person is pouring and the other lady is, mixing. But back then, you put and the other hand you mixing. When you mix it that one, you're gonna make hot as much as you can. So when it become, the hot, that's, the time is done, the food. And the other side is the goat meat. So first we cook the goat meat. When it becomes soft, the goat meat, and then we add all the vegetables. So we're gonna make the soup. After we're done, so the first lady, that's the lady who made, the sor. So she's gonna show us how we can eat. So you add a little bit there, and then a little bit soup. And the other side, there is a chapati. Chapati is one of the Somali traditional food. That's the one. So you can get one chapati or half chapati, and then you can add, the other side of, the sor or the soup. That plate right now is a sor, and the soup, she's taking the chapati right now and she's putting right there. That is delicious. If you never try, please try to eat. So you can get that food in Somali restaurant, or you can ask if you have a friend in Somali, so you can ask to show you how to cook. Or otherwise, you can join the class so you can see and try. Very delicious Somali food. I love it. That's yummy, 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 yummy. Let's enjoy eating together. So thank you for watching. And if you don't subscribe, please my channel, subscribe. Thank you so much. The other side, kusoo dhawaada, waxaynu karinay soor iyo maraqeeda. Hilib ari macaan badana lagu daray. Qudaartaas waa aragtaan. Reer Soomaali ku mahadsantihiin, subscribe-ka ay sartaan. Mar kale daaw.